Do you have any people being paid by the CIA who are contributing to a major circulation American journal?
We do have people who submit pieces to American journals.
Do you have any people paid by the CIA who are working for television networks?
This, I think, gets into the kind of getting into the details, Mr. Chairman, that I'd like to get into in executive session.
So good. Bill Hicks wants to kill tomorrow night.
I think the important thing now is to try.
And this man is going to help him.
You're on a mission. You're on a comedy mission.
Producer Frank Gannon decides which comedians will appear on Late Night with David Letterman.
The language is very violent. You bomb, you die, you kill. They're right here. But the stakes are very high.
You don't know, you hardly know me at all, but I've never been wrong. So we'll see, as we get to know one another better, you'll come to understand and appreciate that. And it's a burden. It's not something I sought.
Frank Gannon drags the 48-hour boys in here to shoot this little piece about him and Bill Hicks.
All right, wait a minute. No, I didn't say that far. Get right back over there. Are you guys from CBS? 48 hours. Does Dan know you have his equipment? No, come on.
Our next guest is a very intense and very funny young man.
Everybody wants to be the best in their field.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bill Hicks.
For comics, I think late night is being at the top of your profession. It's the ultimate achievement. It's what everybody works for and dreams of.
I think that Alex's temperament is such that he'll be able to maintain the stealth needed to undertake his operation.
Well, I think Alex is not only a great activist and a great broadcaster, but he's also a great actor. So as long as he's able to think of what he's doing as acting, like if he has to infiltrate as a, guy carrying a golf bag, and be great.
In the future, we'll be able to do more. We'd have knocked your teeth out, drugged you, and thrown you in a cell for a couple of weeks, and taken you home. Then you won't cause trouble. And then later, even if you submit to us, we're going to load you on helicopters and cattle cars and take you to the FEMA facilities.
It is your destiny to be our slaves. Worldwide neo-fascist plantation. Don't go to Infowars.com. Don't learn about the true secret society that I, Lord Vader, am based on. Don't learn about the order of death. Don't learn why the Nazis wore the death sentence on their helmets. Don't learn about Bohemian Grove. Just listen to my master as he tells you how government works, and how it operates, and how all of you will be much better off if you submit to the control of the New World Order. Soon, my minion, George Bush, and his controllers will carry out new, even more devastating attacks that dwarf 9/11. It will be minuscule in comparison to the horror that we're about to bring forward on you and your people. You'll never figure it out until it's too late. And by then, our control will be complete. Now's the time for you to submit and to give in to your fear to us, to serve us. It would be better for you to join the Sith, as this movie portrays us. But it would be better for you to join the true order of death.